Hey guys, so what's up? No, it's been a long time. Yeah, I had some issues with the other channel, so gonna do a couple uploads here for now. Hopefully back to the normal channel soon. But until then, today I'm gonna be showing you SilentVNC. Essentially, it will give me full control over the target computer. You know. So today I'm going to be showing you guys SilentVNC, which is basically a hVNC, hidden virtual desktop viewer and controller, to control the target computer. So this essentially can be used by an attacker in order to get complete control over your targets without them knowing. You basically have full desktop control, and you can do anything as if you were them, and again they won't be able to see it on their end. So let's get started. So I am going to blur this out because I'm using it off a VPS, not a local host this time, and obviously that's not something I would like you guys to see. So yeah. Cool. So we now have our client built. Now we have our clients that we would send over to our targets using social engineering or watering hole attacks, whatever you would use. That is entirely up to you. I'm going to be using just a simple self-hosted server to send it across. Cool. Now that we have it downloaded, let me quickly open up Process Monitor. Cool. So now let's launch our Process Explorer, and then we can launch our payload and watch everything happen. Now, for the sake of the video, I've changed some of the code so that when the payload runs, it does show up within Process Explorer, but Task Manager doesn't have it. So firing off our payload. You see it over there. And those were where it would be hiding itself in various places and then removing itself from all visible locations. But again, I have left it in its last state just so that we can get sort of an idea for it. As you can see, it doesn't save in a folder, it saves under a user ID. So trying to find this, you just won't. So let's show you that. We can look through here, and as we can see, we don't see it. Let's make sure we can browse hidden locations. We have our online client. Show hidden files, folders, and drives. As you can see, it is selected. Nothing is showing up here. Now, if we look at this again real quick, it's now we can look through here at country stats. We can open up our little menu bar. Let's go clients, and as you can see, we have it over here. Now we can add a command, download, install files, start the VNC, start a SOC server on the system, or update our file. We can set our countries when we have multiple. We can go through our reports. This is just an example. Then we have some, so let's go back to our client menu. We have an info on it. We have activate hVNC and trackbot. So trackbot will basically let you track the location of the target machine. Otherwise, we can go activate hVNC. So activate the hidden desktop, and now just give it a moment to send through. So now our window has popped over here. We can resize this just to give us a full view here. And now everything we do here, this computer won't see on its desktop. So let's just we can go ahead and launch Firefox. And we can do whatever we want. We can let's say, for instance, we want to now install a miner. So we can go look for nano miner. We can download the one for Windows. So we can go ahead and save our file. And now that our file is saved, we can close Firefox. We can extract our miner. And once that's done, we can simply go ahead and run it. Obviously, in a live situation, we would do some configuration. Or an attacker, sorry, should I rather be saying, would configure it a bit, put a wallet in, you know, they could do whatever they wanted with you, essentially. If it wasn't a miner they were going to start, they could go into, let's say, Chrome, as an example, other than Firefox. Now, in Chrome, they would have full access to the user's profile. Provided one was logged in, you would be able to get all of their passwords. You would probably be able to get into their Google accounts because, I mean, let's be real, everyone is auto-signed in. And you could cause whatever havoc you wanted. So, yeah. there's not too much more to this. It essentially is a paneled desktop controller, which unlike many hVNCs, you would have to have the server running on your own computer. You would have to have a back connect server running on your own computer, and you would need that server accessible to the live internet, which means you need part of yourself accessible. Whereas this, simple, send it through, it connects to the panel, and whenever you want to connect to the hidden desktop, you can. It doesn't need to be an instant connect back. But yeah, this, guys, has just been a small demo of what an hVNC sort of can do. I guess the basics of it, if you manage to pick that up. And yeah, just some things I find very interesting and useful for red teamers and people doing attack type penetration tests. This gives you a lot of leverage over the systems and services that you would need to use, see, access, anything of the sort. But yeah, thanks, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Sorry I haven't been around for a while. Obviously, yeah, just waiting for some strikes to be over on my channel and I can upload there again. Otherwise, I may make this more regular on this channel, but I guess we will see. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, guys.